Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help walk you through the CMS 1500 form. What is a CMS 1500 or 1500 form? The CMS form is a crucial document extensively used in healthcare, particularly by non-institutional healthcare providers. This form is the standard billing form utilised to claim Medicare and Medicaid. It allows healthcare providers to seek reimbursement for medical services, with this form capturing all necessary information for a medical claim. The form contains various fields for patient details, including personal, insurance, diagnostic, and treatment information. For patients, this form provides a detailed record of their medical care. This can be invaluable for tracking their medical history and managing insurance claims. Providers can also facilitate more accurate medical billing and coding processes. Any errors or omissions can lead to claim denials or delays in payment, which disrupts the healthcare provider's revenue cycle. As such, using this form is a great way to avoid this. As a result, it's commonly used by healthcare providers who are needing to make claims. How to use the CMS 1500 form. The first step is to fill in the patient information at the top as well as the provider details. You'll then need to complete the service information. Finally, finish the billing information to complete the form. You can view the sample form at carepatron.com. You can download the form for free, and it's easy to use and fast to download. You can also access the form through the Carepatron community platform. All you have to do is type in the keywords and then edit the form however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare related content.